By the second week of November, the war had become a national embarrassment. Major Meredith was recalled to Canberra. His report was grim. The emus were simply too smart, too fast, and too tough for the weaponry provided. The press was merciless. Newspapers across the globe mocked the Australian military for being outmaneuvered by a flightless bird. One politician joked that if medals were to be handed out, they should go to the emus. 10,000 rounds of ammunition had been expended. The result? A few hundred birds killed, while 20,000 more remained, continuing to eat the wheat as if nothing had happened. The military officially withdrew. The emus had won. They didn't have tanks, radios, or guns. They had endurance and a total lack of respect for human authority. The farmers were left to defend their land with bounties and better fences, but the legend of the Great Emu War was already etched into history. Today, the war is remembered as one of the most absurd chapters in military history, a reminder that sometimes nature doesn't just fight back, it wins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, never bring a machine gun to a bird fight.